Please accept the plaque.
Amy Migrations, if you need any help with migrations, this is Amy Migration, and I put actually for free consultation. Who is ever a student, visa, anything you want for visa, I'll put a free consultation for Amy.
Miss Amy and what's the name of the dog? Jeff. Okay, please accept. Next is Gilas Legends, Mr. Dave. Wala si Dave, bibigyan na lang natin, pakihawak mo na kay Dave. Next one is Investing, Mr. Tony Barton, Coleman Law Packages. Please accept.
Tony's the man.
Hi everybody, I'm Tony Barton. I sell client packages. If you're interested in one, come see me. Thank you.
Next is, of course, our main sponsor, Miss Bernadine Harrison, all the way from Ventura of Mighty Finance Honolulu.
Mighty Finance, they didn't belong to everyone. Kung kailangan niya ng bahay, pera,
Next is Panyero, Auto Mechanics and Van Rental. Wala dito si Andy. But for all your van rental needs, repairs for your car, Mr. Andy. Taki muna. And next one would be RRR at In Essence.
Hello. Sino yung naghahanap ng mga murang van rental? Kami yung pinakamura dito. And then, yes, car services, meron din kami. Saka, gusto nyo mag-travel ngayong winter, meron din kami. So, napakamura. Pinakamura. Thank you.
May Panyero, Andy, from Panyero. Ayan. So, repairs, van rentals, contact Mr. Andy. Ano last name mo? Dito ko na. What's your last name? Mr. Andy Jacoba, okay? Wala na ba? Ano ko na ba? Ayun lang ako. Isa ka na yung isa. Okay na. Van Beveren Lawyers. For all your legal needs, Van Beveren Lawyers. But you will accept this on the behalf of Mr. Van Beveren. Wala. Last but not the least, we have VMS, Mr. Virgil Senense, Detailing. Kung may bago kayong kotse, gusto nyo ma-detail, just contact Virgil. Wala.
Is the ice cream coming?